What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Black Appealing Apple Guy. Today I thought I would just do a quick kind of VidCon recap, basically of where I am right now. And so I've been at my hotel since Wednesday, checked in and all that. Day one for VidCon was yesterday, and this is day two, which is almost over. And I thought I would just kind of give you a quick bust down of my hotel room. I mean, just something that everybody does for VidCon or for any type of, whatever they're doing when they're on vacation. So this is Best Western, which this is the second location. There's two. There's the Stovey and the Pavilion. I've stayed at the Stovey, which is the first Best Western I stayed in when I went to VidCon back in 2018. This is the second one that I have stayed at. They're kind of close to each other, so it's easy to get lost between them, but I thought I would just run down kind of what my hotel room looks like. Not anything different than what I haven't already seen before or anyone else has seen before. So, the standard. Actually, just went to Randy's Donuts, so I've never been to Randy's Donuts. So we don't have these in Alaska. We have kind of something else, but I'm looking forward to bringing that back with me. Otherwise, it's, the typical standard hotel room. I got the little mini fridge right there. I also got a microwave, air conditioner, the kind of like half of the kitchen, bathroom sink, and then the bathroom there. So nothing really new, just my stuff there. And oh, hey, what's up? I did manage to get a shirt. I got my pass and whatnot, content creator pass, because content creator, and that's pretty much it standard. Got my gear all right here. Been using my FX30 a lot. It's an amazing camera, so that's what I've been using in some of my other videos. If you want to know what that camera was I was using, that's with the FX30. Otherwise, this is pretty much it for now. Like I said, this is day two, almost ending. I'm going to go back over and see what is still available. I've already went to a few sessions and stuff that they had going. So we're going to go see what else we can find and maybe hit up a food truck or something.